Okay, this is an updated version for section 8.3, problem 3. This is a lot of the background information that you have. It is showing your special triangles in each of the four quadrants. This is the 30-degree triangle in all four quadrants, or the pi over 6. This is the 45 in all four. This is your 60 in all four, or the pi over 3. This is your quadrangles and the areas that you need to know. 0, of course, is 0 degrees in radians. 90 degrees is pi over 2. 180 is pi. 270 is 3/2 pi. All the way around again, of course, is 2 pi. That's background information that you might want to use here. Okay, we're solving, this is an equation, and just like if you were solving 7x plus 2 equals 0, you would move the 2 to the right side and then divide by 7. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to subtract 2 from both sides, or move it, we get a negative 2, and then we divide by 7. That's how we isolate the tan. Okay, well, the tangent is negative. So remember the quadrants that tangent is negative in. We're not worried about being one of these special angles. All I want you to remember is where tangent is negative. Tangent is negative in the second and fourth, second and fourth, second and fourth. So that's all that you need to worry about, is the fact that tangent is negative in the second and fourth. Okay, tangent, as we say, is negative in the second and the fourth. I've added this in here just for you to look at. This is the tangent, it's negative second and fourth. Okay, as we get back in here, what are we dealing with? Well, if tangent is negative in the second and the fourth, I really want to know the reference angle first. So I put in inverse tan 2 over 7, and I get the reference angle. It won't be in pi, it's just going to be a decimal. We round it to 0.28. That is the reference. To find the angle in the second and fourth quadrant that actually have that as their reference angle, to get to a second quadrant, it's pi minus 0.28, 2.86, and the fourth quadrant one would be 2 pi minus 0.28. If you're in these quadrants right here, your reference is between the terminal and the x-axis. The reference, the terminal and the x-axis. So subtract it from pi and then subtract it from 2 pi to get those answers.